So it's fourth day, I think. Yeah, it's fourth day already in Edmonton. Today is Ikea day, and I'm late as usual. So let's go. We're going on a big yellow school bus, the typical American ones. Did you go to Ikea?
Yeah.
We are. Grab a seat.
Thank you.
So we're at the let's see, focus. Alright, focus. So we're at the Ikea right now, and I'm super excited. Although I've done this like 5 times already. Alright, so I tried to do an intro earlier, slightly earlier when we walked into Ikea, but it wasn't really a success. But I'm in Ikea right now, got my goodie bag, and I'm gonna go shopping now. The Ikea trip is almost done. This is stuff I bought, and I'll probably be doing an Ikea haul very soon. So that's very social. Anyway, now we're heading back to the bus to head back to the university. And yeah, I'd love to see you guys a little bit more later. Let's start with my Ikea haul video. So I'm just gonna go through all of the bags that I went through, or all of the bags that I have from my Ikea shoppings, and yeah, what you need when you move into your new house abroad. So let's start with the first bag. I got myself, obviously, plates. I don't know what these are called. What are they called? Yeah, bowls. Got myself some bowls. Obviously, breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. Put them over here. Also, I obviously got myself some pans. Ikea pans. What else did I get? Oh, I got a goodie bag, so like onderleggers for the drinks. A light bulb. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with one light bulb though, but whatever. Bottle opener. Next bag. So I got myself a toilet brush for obvious reasons. Something to put my cutlery in. Cutlery? Is it called cutlery? Yeah, cutlery. Forks, knives, spoons. Let's see. Hangers to hang up my clothes because I don't like folding my laundry. Some kitchen supplies. What else did I get? I also got a cutting board. Cut my chicken. And what else did I get? Some dedukjes. I don't know how they're called in English. It's probably kitchen towels. Like kitchen towels, I guess. They're 100% cotton. Blue and white. How did I end up with one more bulb in white? Oh, that's yours. Never mind. Some multi-plug extension cords, because I obviously have a lot of devices. Some wrong thing I got that I wasn't supposed to get. I was supposed to get something else, but all of these things at Ikea have the same names and they're not properly separated, so I ended up with like clothing covers, whatever. I just needed one of those racks where I could hang in the bathroom and hang my shit. But what else did I get? That's that. The last and the third bag. Got myself a bath mat. Hopefully it doesn't smell like feet. Does it? It smells nasty. Anyway. Some forks, spoons, and knives. I guess I'll hurry with that as well. A pillow, because Who doesn't want to sleep comfortably? Some mattress protectors. Some knives so I could stab a bitch if anybody decided to mess with me. I'm kidding, these are obviously to cut my chicken. 2 mugs so I could drink some tea. Hopefully, I don't know, I hope I have a nice roommate who wants to drink some tea with me, but if not, I'll just make myself 2 cups of tea. Because who doesn't love tea, right? Another package of pans so I can cook my oatmeal in the morning. Even though I'm not even sure, whatever. Some rainbow colored cups. And last but not least, a duvet. Now, here's the problem with these things in Canada. They either come in twins or full queens. And I think my bed is a single queen. So I guess it's bigger or it's too big, I'm not sure. I'll probably have to figure that out. But that's basically about it for my Ikea haul. And I guess this will be vlog number, I don't know, I'll have to like figure that out later. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification button. Click on it so you know the next time that I upload a next video. So see you guys next time. Bye.